Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to use the BlackCompass Visualizer Webpart pack. So first of all, let's go ahead and create a visualization. As you can see, I have a list here in SharePoint 2013. I'm going to use the BlackCompass Visualization app to create a simple histogram. So in order to add the graph to the Webpart page, we'll need to either save or publish this graph. So I'm going to choose publish. So we'll need to copy the URL either from the top URL bar here or the permanent link here. We'll need this URL in order to save this particular graph onto our Webpart page. So here's a Webpart page I created earlier. I'm going to throw this into edit mode and we're going to insert a Webpart. We're going to choose the BlackCompass Visualizer here. And I'm going to paste the URL we copied earlier. We'll load the graph. So here is our histogram we published earlier. I'm going to now select the Edit Webpart so that we can configure this visualization. So we can either choose to change the height and or the width of the graph. So I'm going to go ahead and change the width to 1200 pixels. So as you can see, the visualization has been changed in terms of its width. We're going to go ahead and also configure this particular graph. So you can see two options here. We can either change the graph to point to another saved or published graph that we may have, or we can choose to edit this graph. I'm going to go ahead and edit this particular graph. So the histogram now is in editing mode. So I'm going to open up the configuration and we're going to change the color of the bar. And I'm also going to remove the total from the legend down the bottom here. So I'm happy with the changes I've made and I'd like to republish the graph. So we need to republish the graph in order to see those changes reflected on our Webpart page. So I'm going to refresh the Webpart page. So it'll now display the edited graph that we created. So I'm pretty happy with the page, so I'll save the page. And being a Webpart page, you are able to add more visualizations from your saved or published graphs. This has been a demonstration for BlackCompass Visualizer for SharePoint. For more information about this product, please visit us at www.blackcompass.net.